In this video, we're going to learn how to view your past Ulta Beauty Services appointments. You could also check out our favorite Ulta products in the description below. First, you need to go to the website ulta.com. Click on the Join or Sign In button at the top part of the website. Then, a window will open on the right side of the screen. Here, type your email address and password, then click Sign In. After signing in, the screen will show you your account. Next, look for the profile icon on the top right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. You will now see a drop-down. The last option would be Beauty Services. Click Beauty Services. After clicking the Beauty Services, a new tab will open on your browser. Find the option that says Past Appointments. Click Past Appointments, and you will see all your past appointments here. That's how you view your past Ulta Beauty Services appointments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Also, don't forget to check out our favorite Ulta products in the description below. See you in the next one.